Today I'm going to show you how to connect to Paymo using the Coefficient add-on, and you can do this in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. If you do not have the Coefficient add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, we're going to go ahead and open that extension. Once our sidebar is open, we'll click on Import From, and then we're going to find Paymo. And if you do not see it under Suggested, then click on See All Sources, and we'll find it there. And click on Connect. There are two ways to connect to Paymo. The first is using the API key, which is only accessible to small office or business tiers of Paymo. If you have a free or starter plan, you can connect using email and password. And so for today, that's what we're going to do, is do this. And we're going to type in our password and connect. And then we're going to click on Start from Scratch. And then we can see the different objects or reports that we can pull from Paymo. So one thing to note is estimates and expenses are only on the upper tiers. So for today, let's start with taking a quick look at projects. You can see we have different projects in our sample account. We can go back to request. We could check out our tasks. And one thing to note is you do have some optional parameters here. So this is kind of a SQL language here. So you can use that. If you like, you can check out Paymo's API documentation here for how to fill that out. So it gives you an example here if you want to do date or invoice IDs or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and get the tasks for today. Click Preview. Now we can select which columns we want to view, or we can select all. Once you have the ones you like to pull, you can also select Limit as applicable if you need to. And then once you're satisfied with what you have, you can click on Import to bring that into Google Sheets. Once the data is finished importing, you'll see a little pop-up if you want to auto-refresh the data. You can select hourly, daily, or weekly schedule, or you can click Not Right Now if you want to set that up later, or you want to refresh manually. Then you can see those settings here on the right. All right, that's all it takes to set up an import from Paymo into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel using the Coefficient add-on.